Mm. He's drinking with the mouth, eh?
He's drinking with the mouth.
Mm-hmm. He doesn't have to use the trunk.
He doesn't know how to use the trunk. He's gonna get stuck in the mud.
Oh no.
Oh, he's loving it, eh? Oh, that is wonderful.
Oh my gosh.
Still got his umbilical. Oh, that's it. I think that's today.
He's trying to drink. It's too little.
See, that's so young, he doesn't even know where to go yet.
Mom's trying to help.
Which is mum, the one
So now what are you doing?
yeah.